I would now like to invite the group captain, Mr. Anand Naidu. Please put your hands up for him as he joins us on the stage and gives us a deep orientation about best practices for corporates to ensure cyber security.
Half an hour is a long time, very long time for a cyber criminal to take away your money, to take away your reputation, kill the brand completely, make a company close permanently by stealing the data. How many of you have either received calls saying that your FedEx courier has been returned because of some objectionable material? Yes, I see a lot of hands. How many of you have received calls saying that you have won lotteries, you have been specially selected for awards? Yes. How many of you have received WhatsApp video calls with the moment you switch it on? Yes. All these and many more crimes. What is going on in Bangladesh, not the political side. The moment Sheikh Hasina landed in India, the criminals got active. They said, latest news on her, click here, click and you're gone. And the technologies have advanced so much that today the situation is so that all of us have to fight our own battle. While the government is doing a lot of things, internationally everyone is talking about it. End of the day, ladies and gentlemen, it is our alertness, our preparedness that's going to be of importance as far as the cyberspace protection is concerned. Okay, what I have, a quick introduction of my company, that's why I requested her need not speak much. We are a non-profit organization, Information Sharing and Analysis Center. We have public-private partnership with Ministry of Education to build capacity in cyber security. We collaborate with All India Council for Technical Education to bring cyber security awareness, cyber hygiene building. We have collaboration with Ministry of Defense for various things. We are also trying to establish something known as COP Connect cafes in cantonments at different cantonments, of course. We have collaboration with Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology and various other things. We also are experts in forensics. We establish centers of excellence. We have established in India as well as other locations. Now, this is where the problem is. All of us don't even think twice before clicking share, like, sending messages and forwarding them left, right, and center. We don't think of what are the consequences. And that is where we are actually increasing the area where we can be attacked. Okay, threat surface. The threat actors can use that surface to attack us from multiple directions, multiple locations, multiple platforms, multiple modes. That's the main problem. Ubiquitous in nature. That means the crimes are happening every time, everywhere. There is no limit. They don't sleep. Cyber criminals don't sleep. By the way, all of my colleagues, they are mostly awake in the night and they work in the night because the criminals are working in the night only. Okay? Individual security and national security, that is a major problem. We may think that if I am breached, my email ID is breached, nobody is going to be impacted. I'll tell you 2-3 incidents that have happened in the recent past. I do not know how many of you are aware. 100 computers from Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, supplied by the NIC, National Informatics Center, managed by the National Informatics Center, have lost data one night. And when they investigated, they found that one low-level employee of a startup in Bengaluru had his email ID breached. Through that email ID, packets were sent of malware to the MeitY computers. 100 computers lost data. And what were those computers? Why they were targeted? Because those computers were being used by the officers who were dealing with regulations to regulate the social media platforms. They wanted to know what are the regulations that are being cooked up in the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. We had a serious problem with the Kundankulam nuclear power plant. It's our pride. All of us take pride in that plant, national asset. A low-level employee, not part of the operational network, they have their internal network. He was not part of that. His email ID was breached. Through that, they breached Kundankulam. We were fortunate because of the resilience being strong. We did not have major damage. A similar thing happened with ISRO. All of these have happened because personal email IDs of individuals have been breached. So, if anyone's email ID is breached, it is serious. Please understand that it is being probably used to do some bigger attack. That's where we need to be careful. Every cyber attack, whether it is at the lowest level or the highest level, has national security ramifications. That is the problem. I think these, phishing, voice phishing, smishing, SMS phishing, malwares, phishing, ransomware attacks. This ransomware attack, I would like to talk to you all for a brief period. Earlier, we used to think that only the big companies will be attacked. In the recent past, we have had multiple chartered accountants attacked, multiple law firms attacked. We had one transport company in Kanpur. They were attacked, and the criminals asked for 8 crores as ransom. It was a tough task. The transport company is owned by a doctor, and he didn't understand the technology side that much. He thought that it was someone was playing a joke with him, prank. And then, of course, when his trucks got stuck, the drivers could not refuel their vehicles because he brought it all on digital platforms. He had network with the fuel stations, he had network with the restaurants, all was on digital platform. They were standstill. And then he realized the problem was serious. Then he came to us and we did something. But what I'm saying is, this is happening to MSMEs, this is happening to startups. Now startups, whether it is something like the Cashew Association startup or any startup for that matter, the problem is we deal with data. We deal with a lot of transactions internationally also. And when we do the transactions internationally, our liability is measured by the international standards. Say for example, I am a company, part of ICA. I have a chartered accountant who is helping me. That chartered accountant has data because I am dealing with my invoices to international clients. Those invoices are data. That data is breached. It is stolen by someone and put in the dark web. I am also liable to my international client as per the regulations that are applicable there. Say for example, Europe, the GDPR, America, different laws. And we are now having our own law. Digital Personal Data Protection Act has already come into play. Only the board is supposed to be constituted very soon. It will be constituted, and thereafter 250 crores is the maximum penalty that can be awarded if we are losing data that is entrusted to us by the data principals. This is where we have a serious problem. We need to be cautious. Financial losses, damage to protection, reputation, of course, I have discussed already. The problems are at the bottom line. The last bullet is the main problem area. Skill deficit, unethical practices, and tech abuse. Now, unethical practices most of the times are leading to internal frauds. Our own person somewhere is either not reporting that there has been a breach, or he is actually colluding in the breach. That is where the problem is. Now, what do we do? This is where we have to look at people, process, technology. As MSMEs, we may not be able to have enough money to actually go for the latest technology or the technologies that are really cutting edge. It's possible that we don't have money, we don't have budgets, we don't have resources. But what we can definitely focus on is the people, you and I. First, we educate ourselves, bring the company's hygiene to a level where if anyone is sending a link to click, first thing is, no, I am not going to click. Even if it is delayed by half an hour, it doesn't matter. Delayed by 1 hour, it doesn't matter. Let me do the due diligence. Simple. Hygiene to be raised. It has to become a culture. All our companies have a culture. Whatever is the culture, I mean, someone calls my culture is agriculture, that's okay. We are into that industry, that's not a problem at all. But what I'm saying is, culture of cyber hygiene, culture of being cautious with my data, my networks, my passwords and things like that. That I'll come to the best practices at the end. But we need to focus on the people. How do we achieve people readiness? One is collaboration. Collaboration is, I told you, the UN says that collaborative effort is the only way to fight the cyber crimes because cyber criminals are becoming too many. And you would have read in the newspapers that some of the software engineers who have been hired by some of the countries in the southeastern region, they have been forced into doing the cyber crimes against our own country. All said and done, India is in a better position as far as financial position is concerned. And many of the countries are in big mess. And that is where the criminals also are focusing more on us. What do we do? Awareness and knowledge, cyber hygiene, skilling to convert the knowledge through hands-on practice, employability, ethical framework. Now, ethical framework is something which all of us discuss, but we don't look at it actually. In Indian context, unfortunately, we only talk, we don't implement. It's a national problem. It's a cultural problem for us. Okay, when we go buy something, we ask for something additional, and it is given. I think it's known as Yakadipathyam or something in Sanskrit. It's a traditional way that you buy something, you have to be given one extra by the shop owner. That's how it is, and it is good for the shop owner if he gives one extra. Okay. Similarly, bargaining. So because of the bargaining, it is part of our culture that raise the cost, he will bargain and give it. So these kind of practices are actually, they have converted the generations into completely not bothered about the ethics at the workplace. And as a result, what happened is there is a report known as Global Fraud Survey. In the Global Fraud Survey, India is rated very low. It is known as Kroll report. Every year they come out with a report. And in the Asian Fraud Survey, the report reflects that Indians are not only corrupt but can corrupt anyone. And they have taken so many cases to come to that conclusion. Now that is something which the leadership knows and they are worried. That's how the All India Council for Technical Education and our company have collaborated to create ethical workforce. This is the effort that we are making. Now why I am saying this is, most of the frauds in cyberspace are happening because of internal frauds. Internal people only colluding, or they are careless. They couldn't care less for the data. That's where we need to bring in ethics at workplace in a serious way. Organization culture, I have mentioned already, data-driven world, financial and non-financial. Now, the crimes are not only in the financial sector. While I kept focusing on the finances, the major problems are happening on sexual offenses against children. One generation of our children are actually completely distracted and they're gone off track. And they forgot how to interact with human beings. They can, if I stand next to my son, he will send a WhatsApp message to tell me that it is time we move. He can come and tell me, come on, we can go out. It's not an interesting session. Why do you want to actually punish yourself by sitting in this session? Let us go. He can tell me. No, he will not. My daughter, if she has to speak to me, she will send an SMS. Why are you shouting and speaking loudly? Why can't you lower your volume? They have forgotten to speak to the grandparents. They have forgotten to speak to our neighbors. They have not learned how to interact with the communities because they don't even interact. And Corona has added to the problem in a big way. Now, what is happening as a result is they are always on the video gaming platforms. My worry is also not about children. My worry is we have realized in the recent past the number of cases that we have dealt from the veterans. Veterans, the senior people, they have money, they have time, they have fantastic gadgets, and they don't know what to do with the time, money, and gadgets. And they indulge in all kinds of things, and they're getting trapped big way. They're losing a lot of money, and they're getting trapped in sexual offenses as well. That is another problem. The next problem is the video gaming platforms. Many of the shop owners are constantly, yesterday I was traveling in a taxi, that guy was constantly playing a game. And what was the game? There was a lady who was shouting, भाभी के साथ ऐसा करोगे, भाभी के साथ वैसा करोगे, भाभी के साथ वैसा करोगे, ये क्या कर रहे हो तुम, ये क्या कर रहे हो? That's a game, I believe, video game. And I asked him, what are you doing here? He says, sir, ये तो गेम है, हम लोग ड्राइव करते वक्त बोर हो जाते हैं ना, इसलिए वो गेम लगा देते हैं. ऐसा क्या क्या गेम्स है? There are so many games which are actually ridiculing the cultural issues, traditional cultural issues, and those games are very popular. That is one. Two, when we are sitting, we are playing games. Trust me, the video gaming platforms are the biggest preying grounds for crimes. Biggest preying grounds. वहाँ पे जितना हमारे नुकसान हो सकता है वो और कहीं नहीं हो सकता. एक हमने प्रोफेसर को ट्रेन किया एज साइबर क्राइम फर्स्ट रेस्पॉन्डर, कोयम्बतूर के हैं वो. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड, आई होप हिंदी इज ओके, मिक्स, नो प्रॉब्लम. कोयम्बतूर के हैं वो मलेशिया में 20 साल काम किया करके आए. आने के बाद हमारा एक छोटा सा प्रोग्राम है, लोएस्ट लेवल, 0 लेवल प्रोग्राम है, गवर्नमेंट अप्रूव्ड. उसमें उन्होंने ट्रेनिंग लेने के लिए आया. हमने पूछा क्या करते हैं आप, क्या करते थे? बोला सर मलेशिया में मैं था, अभी यहाँ आ गया हूँ, मैं नौकरी ढूंढ रहा हूँ. मैंने क्या करते थे आप? ही हैज स्पेशलाइज्ड इन क्रिएटिंग स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स व्हेन एन इंडिविजुअल इज इंजर्ड और किल्ड, वुंडेड इन द वीडियो गेम. जिस तरीके से वो बाहर खून निकलता है उसके ऊपर उसका सुपर स्पेशलाइजेशन है. दैट मीन्स शुड द ब्लड कम एज अ जेट और एज अ स्प्रिंकलिंग or just seepage, what way the blood should come depending on the situation. If the blood comes in a particular way, the edictability, मतलब बच्चों को पकड़ के रखने का क्या आसान तरीका है, किस तरीके से खून बाहर निकलने से उसका इम्पैक्ट ज्यादा रहेगा, असर ज्यादा रहेगा, बच्चे ज्यादा ज्यादा खेलेंगे, इसका स्पेशलाइजेशन वो सुपर स्पेशलाइज्ड इन दैट. And he was getting 8 times the salary of any professor that gets in India. I said, do you see the outcome of that? आप क्या सोचे कभी कि क्या आप क्या बना रहे हो? बच्चों को ऐसा बना रहे हो जिससे आपका कोई मतलब ताल्लुक नहीं उससे. बच्चों को इनसेंसिटिव बना के छोड़ रहे हो. In New Zealand, immediately after Corona, movie theaters opened and one couple was just passing by in front of the screen. One boy jumped and crushed both of them by throttling them. He just choked them to death in the theater. And when police asked him कि क्या किया तुमने यार, बोला मैं तो सोच रहा था वीडियो गेम खेल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि एक वीडियो गेम में कोई भी मेरा सामने है उसका कत्ल करना है मुझे, और रियल लाइफ में उतने कत्ल कर 2 लोगों को मार दी. Now this is what is happening in the video game, and many of us are also addicted to video games. Please be very careful. Please be very, very careful, because they are also ways of siphoning of money. Okay. What I was talking about is privacy and data protection regimes and penalties. I have already mentioned 250 crores is what the government is proposing, maximum penalty. Of course, all of us don't have 250 crores to pay in case if our data is lost. So we need to be careful about it. ISAC and AIC, of course, for the ethics part we have signed, I mentioned already. We are running a campaign known as Honest CV. It is a free campaign where individuals are made to commit themselves to ethics. What happened is, for about 40 to 43 years, we did not have moral education. Moral education का एक हमारे पास हर हफ्ता एक पीरियड होता था क्लास में, और वो बंद हो गया था. और किस लिए बंद हो गया वो अलग बात है. वो रीजन, it was intentional, it was stopped. But now fortunately the new education policy that came in 2020 talks about ethics at 3 places in the whole document. At least it has started discussion. So that is where we have collaborated, and this is something which the companies can adopt. In case if you want to adopt, it's free of cost. There is no money for that. It will build trust and brand. Brand building is what is the objective. Say for example, I am exporting to Paris some cashews, and if I say my employees are committed to ethics, it gives a different meaning to him. That means we are not using children in the workplace. That means we are not following the shortcuts. We are not taking in the processing and other things. That's what it is. Crucial for survival, sustenance, and success of any organization, definitely. Now coming to the community effort to fight the cyber crimes. What we have done is, around 2017, 2016, we realized that the crimes are becoming too much. Government is doing some things, but it was not good enough. Locally, we need to have localized support systems. And that is when we curated, in collaboration with All India Council for Technical Education, a certification known as Cybercrime Intervention Officer. And we started providing support through a platform known as COP Connect. COP Connect, connecting the victim to the police is our objective. Now, you may ask, government is there, police is there, why do you have to help? The problem is, when any crime happens, there is shock. People don't know where to report, how to report. Policemen don't have time. उनके पास ना समय है, बहुत बार उनको ट्रेनिंग भी कम है और उनके पास टूल्स वगैरह नहीं है. जाहिर है, क्योंकि वो लोग और भी बहुत सारे काम करते हैं, उनके पास और ज़्यादा बहुत दबाव है हर चीज़ के लिए. कोई पॉलिटिशियन आता है, वो कुछ बोलता है, सीनियर ऑफिसर्स का प्रायोरिटी अलग होता है, हर चीज़ों में उनका परेशानी है. उस वजह से वो लोग जितना सपोर्ट दे सकते हैं उतना देंगे, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं दे पाएंगे. दूसरी बात, जब क्राइम होता है तो साइकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट होता है. इमीडिएट इम्पैक्ट इज साइकोलॉजिकल, मोर साइकोलॉजिकल, एंड स्पेशली इफ इट इज चिल्ड्रन, if it is women, highly educated people, psychological impact is too much because they don't want to disclose. Now, if at all you go to police, he will, first thing he says is, अच्छी बात है आप आए हैं मेरे पास, what I'll do is, I will take the FIR. Tomorrow newspapers, this news will come. जिसको पता नहीं था कि आपके साथ ये हुआ है, सबको पता चलेगा. क्या आप चाहते हैं कि आपका नाम न्यूज़पेपर्स में आए कि आपके साथ ये हुआ है? मैं एक एग्जाम्पल देता हूं आपको. रत्नगिरी एरिया इन महाराष्ट्र, 3 colleges, engineering colleges, 6 professors, all from computers, 2 of them heads of the department, 1 principal. All of them were caught in a WhatsApp video call where one girl calls, you switch it on, they will take your screenshot, within 5-7 minutes you get a message, we have got all of this mashallah, सबके साथ हम भेज देंगे, आप वायरल कर देंगे आपका ये न्यूड वीडियो, सब शुरू हो जाता. 3 महीने तक उन्होंने जितना पैसा मांगा सारा सैलरी दे दिया उनको. 3 महीने के बाद एक प्रोफेसर को मन किया कि अब बहुत हो गया, मेरे पास और पैसे नहीं है, मैं फैमिली को भी नहीं बता पा रहा हूँ, आई वॉन्ट टू कमिट सुसाइड. ही कॉल्स अप वन लेडी, हिज रिलेशन, शी इज गौरी, एक्चुअली हर नेम इज गौरी. गौरी यार मैं खुदकुशी करना चाहता हूँ. तो गौरी ने बोला यार ठीक है कर लो, उसमें मुझे क्या बात है, व्हाई आर यू कॉलिंग मी, पुलिस विल आस्क मी अननेसेसरीली. दैट्स हाउ वी ट्रेन आवर पीपल. कोई खुदकुशी करना चाहता है तो करने दो, डोंट इन्वॉल्व. दैट इज हिज डिसीजन, वी शुड नॉट इन्वॉल्व. सो नहीं यार हम बात करना चाहता हूँ, मैं बात करो, उसके लिए मैं तैयार हूँ, बात करो. देन ही टोल्ड दिस इज व्हाट हैज हैपेंड. बिग डील, इतने लोगों के साथ ये हो रहा है, तुमको क्या अकेले हो क्या, तुम्हारे साथ हम सब हैं, वी विल फाइट इट आउट. So she said, these are the steps you need to take. He has taken those steps. Next day he went to the police station. पुलिस वाले ने बोला बहुत अच्छा बात है साहब, आप 6 के 6 लोगों का ना कल बहुत अच्छा सा न्यूज़पेपर में नाम आएंगे, सबको पता लगेगा. He called back. किसी यार ये पुलिस वाले तो बोल रहे हैं कि न्यूज़पेपर में नाम आएगा. और मैं आपको ये भी बता दूं, लास्ट मंथ इस स्टेट का होम मिनिस्टर के साथ बैठा हुआ था मैं, डॉक्टर परमेश्वरा. उनको जब मैंने बोला कि साइबर क्राइम्स में पुलिस के थोड़ा सा परेशानियां हैं, he said all these things he was narrating to me. Yes, they will say, they will put it in the newspapers. I keep telling them don't do it, but they say no, this is to alert others. अरे नाम तो मत दो ना, details मत दो. नहीं. So he called us back, that professor. Then we said okay, don't worry. Then we reached out to, we have trained a lot of IPS officers also as cybercrime intervention officers. One of them is Dr. Bal Singh Rajput. He was heading the cybercrime cell in Maharashtra. He is presently with the Chief Minister's office. So we called him, I said, Bal Singh ji, this is the problem. He said, don't worry sir, I will ask SP to investigate, not to let the SHO to involve himself. Then they investigated. What they found is 72 girls from one institute in Surat were involved in this racket, and they were getting 2000 rupees per call. एक लड़की एक बार कॉल करके ट्रैप करने के लिए 2000 रुपये उसको मिलता है. उसमें 50% से ज़्यादा लड़कियां बहुत अच्छे घराने के हैं, रिच फैमिलीज. और जब इस किंग पिन के पास वो गए थे, 6.2 crores cash was found on him, and he had accounts in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and elsewhere. Money siphoned off from here. Such big scale is this small racket. So just be careful about it. That's the biggest problem. Okay. Why we started this is to make sure that localized support is available for the victims. We don't conflict. We are not going to investigate. The Cop Connect doesn't investigate. It only provides intervention, first aid, first few steps to be taken, so that one, you gain your confidence to deal with the matter. Two, you are not under psychological pressure because there are so many people to help you. There are so many people who are suffering along with you. You are not alone. Next, legal support chahiye, so lawyers are there. If forensic support is required, forensics people also are there as part of this. Support for employees and organizations enhancing productivity and digital wellness. एक ऐसा स्थिति आ गया आज कि सुबह सुबह हमारा व्हाट्सएप में एक अगर मैसेज आ गया कि पैसे निकल गए या कुछ हो गया तो सारा दिन हमारा बर्बाद, हमारा पूरा दिन का प्रोडक्टिविटी गया. That whole day is ruined because of one message. So cyber wellness has become our wellness cause also. That is the problem. The cause and effect. एक गलत मैसेज, एक लड़का फोन किया मुझे, तो सर छोटा सा हेल्प चाहिए. मैंने कहा क्या हुआ? मैं 3 दिन से सो नहीं पा रहा हूँ. मैंने कहा यार मैं तो डॉक्टर नहीं हूँ. नहीं सर, प्रॉब्लम यह है कि मैंने एक मेरा नेबर को, लड़की को एक मैसेज भेजा. उस मैसेज को उसने गलत मीनिंग लेके मेरा पेरेंट्स को वो मैसेज भेज दी, और 3 दिन से मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझे घर आने नहीं दे रहे, मैं बाहर घूम रहा हूँ. नाउ जस्ट इमेजिन दैट वन मैसेज दैट ही सेंट, how it has been taken by that girl. And it is not happening with girls only. Please understand. It is happening with elders. We have dealt with at least half a dozen cases in Gurgaon where men 60, 70 years old, 50 years old indulging in these activities. Just be careful. In the organizations, of course, raising the cyber hygiene. Like for example, GMR is there. GMR is a big group, 6,800 plus employees. What they have done is, they are dealing with people. So they said all of them should be trained as first responders because they are dealing with people everywhere, including their, peons. Everyone has been trained as cybercrime first responders, 6,000 of them. Okay. Create awareness and build culture of hygiene in the society, offering tools and resources, obviously, because all of us, the smaller companies, may not be able to afford to do that. Okay. 20,000 plus cybercrime first responders. One free app. You may please download this app, ISAC Cop Connect. It is free to download, free to use, safe. It is available on Android as well as the iOS phones. ISAC Cop Connect is the name of the app. You may download if you wish. It can save a life for someone by having this. There are 5,000 plus intervention officers who have actually volunteered to be part of that. Free first response, no charges. Cop Connect cafes established at multiple locations. We have in Bangalore, we have 3 Cop Connect cafes. In case, why Cop Connect cafe? There are some problems which cannot be discussed over phone. There are some problems which, unless you have the confidence of the person who is a victim, they will not disclose. Sexual offenses especially, it's very difficult to discuss on phone because the facts don't come. Many times, it is, we have given the photos, we have given some communication, we have given some data. That is where hesitation is there. That's why it is very essential that you visit a place which is earmarked for this support, and such support is available in Bangalore at 3 locations. We have one at Mysore. We have at different locations in Delhi. We have recently started one in cantonment. In fact, we are collaborating with cantonments to create Cop Connect cafes at all the cantonments. And this is through CSR. We don't charge any money. No money is paid to the volunteers. It's all voluntary work. Anyone can walk in anytime and seek support. Of course, within 1 month of starting this Cop Connect cafe in Delhi, we've been able to solve 41 cases addressed. 1.4 crores was the money involved, and 4 sexual offenses were dealt with. This is how the app is. That's the logo, in case if you wish to download. I told you the type of people that are there. These are the type of people that are there on the as part of the Cop Connect platform. And this is how the Cop Connect app and the cafe function. One can book an in-person appointment also if there is any problem. This is one tool that we give in a Cop Connect Cafe. What it does is, if you take your phone without being intrusive, without collecting any data from your device, laptop or phone, it will tell you if any data is being misused from that phone. It will also tell you if your phone or laptop has apps which are banned by the government, because they have been banned because of a specific reason, because there are backdoors, there are data flowing out easily. So this tool is part of the Cop Connect Cafe. Now coming to the protection to the MSMEs and startups. These people don't have money for cyber security, obviously, because operations itself is a major financial requirement. So what we do is, we built a platform which can actually take care of that particular requirement. Association can play a role. What happened in SIA? SIA is the Satellite Industry Association. What they have done is, they have taken concurrence of all the association members for testing the vulnerabilities in their networks by us. And since we are collaborating with Computer Emergency Response Team, we are authorized to do that part. We have undertaken that activity. We are giving them a report saying that, okay, this company has this vulnerability, this company has this vulnerability, this company has this vulnerability, free of cost, no charge. Vulnerabilities, we will tell you. You get it fixed. That is your worry. You don't want to get it fixed, face the music of losing the data. That's all. It's a simple equation. But if you don't fix it, certain can take action against you. Computer Emergency Response Team can take action against you because you have not fixed the problem. You can get it fixed through anyone. Don't come to us, because we are not into fixing the problem. We are at a little higher level. Fixing the problem, there are many players. Breachpoint is the company's name. It's a bug bounty platform, Breachpoint. Vulnerability assessment management is what we do. Availability of large number of bug counters, because the hunters are trained by us to find bugs in the companies before a thief is stealing the data. Before a thief is finding out the vulnerabilities, we will find the vulnerabilities and tell you. We are doing similar activity for the universities also, because we are collaborating with AICTE. Okay. Minimal cost as you decide the bounty. In case if you want to fix it, you want to get the whole activity in a repetitive manner, first time we will give free of cost. But if you want to be tested every 3 months, you can fix and say critical vulnerability. There are different categories: critical, high, medium, low. These are the type of vulnerabilities, weaknesses in the network. For critical, you may say I will give 10,000. Flipkart gives $1 million for critical vulnerability. Microsoft was giving $1 million, despite that they had a problem recently. You have all heard of the outage that has happened. Similarly, the Amazons and things like that, they have big bounties, but we are talking about small bounties, because MSMEs, you and the bug hunter will be deciding mutually. I am not involved in that. Okay. Report company data. This is a very essential aspect. Please understand, if you have a company registered and you have a website, or you are into e-commerce, obviously we are all into e-commerce, any breach has to be reported within 6 hours. If we don't report, the certain can take action against us. Okay. Best practices quickly. Awareness and hygiene, I have already spoken. Become cybercrime first responder. This is my desire that all the people who are above 16 years, that's what AICTE has prescribed, 16 years of age. In fact, the fees also is prescribed by them only. We also give 25% of the admissions free of cost to the government to be given to the OBC candidates. Not OBC, economically backward candidates, sorry. Anyone can become cybercrime first responder if he is able to handle the internet, the emails, and use smartphone. Check your SMS messages at least twice a day, twice a day, because we are so much engrossed in WhatsApp these days that we forgot to see the SMS messages. And people are not seeing the SMS messages at all. Yeah. Downloading apps, loan apps, please don't download. Even if you want to take loan, association can probably help. Don't go for the loan apps at all. That's a sure death for the company. Okay. Don't give permissions left, right, and center when you download apps. If at all an app is demanding that you give all permissions, एक बार दे दो, दे के जिस यूज के लिए आप यूज कर रहे हो उसका यूज खत्म होते ही कैंसिल ऑल परमिशंस. मान लो एक ऐप है, वो बोलता है कि आप जब तक सारा परमिशंस नहीं देंगे मैं इसको यूज नहीं करने दूंगा, बट वो यूज बहुत जरूरी है हमें. यूज करो, उसके बाद तुरंत कैंसिल करो, वो बहुत जरूरी है. Update patches is very, very important. We have to keep downloading the updates. Use of mobile, don't give phones to others. Please don't give phone to others. Even if your children, if you can avoid, nothing like it. Because they will download something which we don't know, and along with that the malwares will come. उसके साथ साथ इतने सारे गलत चीजें आ जाते हैं, हमको पता भी नहीं चलता कि कहाँ से क्या वो लेके चोरी कर रहा है डाटा. Very careful with children using phones. Video gaming platforms, I've already spoken. Keep the tech savvy elders very busy, otherwise they will involve in things which are not good for us. ये बड़ा बड़े बुजुर्गों को बिजी रखना बहुत जरूरी है. कंस्ट्रक्टिव कामों में आप बिजी रखिए, छोटा मोटा खेती बाड़ी करवाने दीजिए, उनको कैश ग्रो करने दीजिए, कुछ तो करने दीजिए, बट उनको खाली मत रखिए. बहुत जरूरी है. ये बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है इसमें. वो कुछ बोलते भी नहीं है, उसके बाद वो इतना चुप हो जाते हैं, उसके बाद कुछ भी डाटा इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं देते हैं. कुछ सॉल्व करने के लिए भी हमारे पास डाटा नहीं रहता. पासवर्ड मैनेजमेंट वेरी एसेंशियल. स्ट्रांग पासवर्ड्स, नो कॉमन पासवर्ड. मतलब आपने व्हाट्सएप में भी वही पासवर्ड, पेटीएम में भी वही पासवर्ड, फोन पे भी वही पासवर्ड, ईमेल में भी वही पासवर्ड. कृपया वो ना करें, अलग अलग रखें, ताकि एक जगह अगर ब्रीच हो गया, आपके वजह से ब्रीच नहीं होगा, किसी और के वजह से ब्रीच हो सकता है. ये प्रॉब्लम है. इसलिए कम से कम कुछ तो बचा के रखिए. ठीक है. मल्टी फैक्टर ऑथेंटिफिकेशन, मतलब एक जगह से नहीं, ऑथेंटिकेशन 2-3 जगह पे हो, एक फोन से भी हो, एक मेल से भी हो, ऐसे. नो पब्लिक वाईफाई, प्लीज डोंट अवॉइड यूजिंग पब्लिक वाईफाई अनलेस इट इज वेरी एसेंशियल एंड फॉर इमरजेंसी यूज ओनली. होटल्स वगैरह में जाते रहते हैं हम लोग, वाईफाई वो देते हैं, कृपया उनको यूज ना करें. ठीक नहीं है. पब्लिक चार्जिंग इज ए वेरी बिग प्रॉब्लम. देयर समथिंग नोन एज ओ माई गॉड केबल. द केबल का नाम ही ओ माई गॉड केबल है, उसका नाम ही वो है. जहां आप लटकते हुए तारे दिखेंगे एयरपोर्ट में और जगह जगह पे, वो लटका देता है हमें, पूरा मतलब ले जाता है, चोरी करता है. उसको यूज ही मत करिए. आप अपना प्लग लगाइए, अपना केबल यूज करिए. इफ एट ऑल यू हैव टू चार्ज. HDMI cables are coming with data theft processes. Aadhaar security, please don't give Aadhaar to everyone. There are only government agencies which are authorized to collect the Aadhaar, and if you have to give, mask Aadhaar, and keep the Aadhaar locked. Okay, definitely you have to do that. Biometrics have to be locked. Check history where all your Aadhaar is being used. कहाँ यूज हो रहा है आप चेक कर सकते हैं. चेक करना बहुत जरूरी है. आधार कॉमन आईडी नहीं बनना चाहिए. आप ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस दीजिए, आप वोटर आईडी दीजिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट ये आधार मत दीजिए, पैन कार्ड मत दीजिए. ये दोनों चीजें बहुत ही खतरनाक है. ये दोनों में पैसे ही नहीं, बहुत कुछ नुकसान हो सकता है. ऑफर्स, लॉटरीज, अवार्ड्स, बी केयरफुल. कोई भी अभी तुरंत करो, अगर कोई बोलेगा उसको माना नहीं. फोन पे बोलेगा नहीं आपका KYC अभी करना है, वो KYC अभी करना है, नहीं. कभी भी जल्दबाज में कुछ भी नहीं करना. कोई भी डिमांड कर रहा है कि तुरंत होना है, मतलब वो बंदा आपके पीछे लगा हुआ है कि पैसा ले जाए, कुछ तो लूट जाएगा. इसलिए जल्दी में कुछ नहीं करना. कोई भी काम अगर अर्जेंट करने के लिए बोल रहा है तो नहीं करना. ऑनलाइन बैकअप डाटा either on hard disk or cloud. I'm coming to the end. Use secure payment gateways. Crimes against individuals to be reported, even if it's all. I have already told you how ISRO and Kondankulam nuclear plant was attacked. The mighty loss. Report to cybercrime portal or police. We advise reporting to cybercrime portal because पुलिस वालों के पास बहुत बिजी शेड्यूल्स हैं और उनके पास समय नहीं है, और सारे पुलिस स्टेशन आपका साइबर क्राइम के साथ डील नहीं कर सकते. अभी कर्नाटक में एक ऑर्डर आया है, सबको FIR लॉन्च करना है. नया जो न्याय संहिता बने हैं उसमें सबको कंप्लेंट लेना जरूरी है, बट प्रेफरेबली पोर्टल पे आप जाइए. cybercrime.gov.in है, बहुत अच्छा पोर्टल है, बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है. गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत अच्छा किया. ये हिंदुस्तान में है, बाकी जगह नहीं है. दिस इज स्पेशल टू अस ओनली. ओके. May seek first aid from cybercrime intervention officers through Cop Connect app. It's up to you. Support the victim, please. Women and children are very vulnerable. Victim is not alone. Please understand and tell them that अरे तुम अकेले नहीं हो यार, हमारे साथ भी होता है, सबके साथ होता है. मैं जब हाथ खड़ा करने के लिए बोला तो सब ने हाथ खड़ा करे, कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम हुआ है. इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ, कोई भी विक्टिम आता है तो उसके ऊपर हंसना नहीं, उसके ऊपर कमेंट नहीं मारना. ये तुम्हारे साथ हो गया, अच्छा ये भी कर लिया तुमने, नहीं, मत करो. थोड़ा सा सिंपैथी दिखाओ, उसको थोड़ा तसल्ली दो कि काम हो सकता है यार, कोई ना कोई हेल्प मिल जाएगा, चिंता मत करो. कॉप कनेक्ट है टू हेल्प. ओके. RBI has been very proactive. आपको मैं ये आश्वासन देना चाहता हूं कि पूरी दुनिया में जिस तरीके से स्ट्रिक्ट रेगुलेशंस हिंदुस्तान में है बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर का, कोई और देश में नहीं है, कोई और देश में नहीं है। हम लोग बहुत ही बेहतर है। Government is doing a lot but can't do everything obviously. Community building is way. Download Isaac Cop Connect if you wish. It may save lives. Support establishing Cop Connect cafes in cantonment through CSR. In case if you have CSR funds, I have permissions from the IT department to take the CSR fund and create on your own brand. अगर कोई भी कंपनी का ब्रांड के साथ अगर करना है, branding also will be there, full-fledged branding. We have got some from companies like Zscaler and all. That's all. I am done. Any questions are there? I can take one or two questions if she permits me. Otherwise she is already ready to pounce on me. One or two questions? Yes, sir. Please.
Do you run any training program, short training programs where employees or students can?
I run 26 training programs, which is the highest that any company can offer. All my certifications are as per government MOU that I have. I run awareness trainings also for companies, जहाँ पे मैं वर्कशॉप्स छोटा छोटा भी करता हूँ, बच्चों का और पेरेंट्स को साथ में भी करता हूँ। क्या करते हैं हम लोग, कंपनी का, मान लो आपका कंपनी है, बच्चों को अलग से बैठाएंगे, पेरेंट्स को अलग से बैठाएंगे, दोनों को अलग ट्रेनिंग देके फिर दोनों को साथ में ले आके बिड़वाएंगे उनको, ताकि घर जाके बिड़े ना, वो भी करते हैं। एम्प्लॉयज के लिए अलग वर्कशॉप्स करते हैं। I am requesting, in fact, I was speaking to sir that we have one program known as Cybercrime Intervention Officer Program. It's a calendar program. Every month we run this program. And this is a 30-hour program. Online, Wednesday को और Thursday को सिर्फ 3 घंटे के लिए 6 दिन होता है वो। और उससे आपको अपने आप को तो बचा ही लोगे, अगल बगल में जितने भी हैं, एम्प्लॉयज भी जितने भी हैं, वो भी, जैसे पीनिया रोटरी है, रोटरी उद्योग पीनिया, उन्होंने ये उनका जितने भी मेंबर्स हैं उन सब के लिए करवाया। ऐसे हम करते हैं ट्रेनिंग। छोटे वर्कशॉप्स हैं, लॉन्ग वर्कशॉप्स हैं, 2-day वर्कशॉप्स हैं, ऑर्गेनाइज ट्रेनिंग्स हैं। स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एम्प्लॉयबल स्किल्स के साथ ट्रेनिंग है, और एम्प्लॉयबल स्किल्स हमारा स्पेशलाइजेशन ये है। बाकी दुनिया में जो सर्टिफिकेशन है उसके साथ लैब्स का यूज बहुत कम है, अभी शुरू किए उन्होंने। हमारा ट्रेनिंग जो भी है वो लैब के बिना ट्रेनिंग नहीं है। लैब टेस्ट के बिना हम सर्टिफाई नहीं करते हैं किसी को। लैब टेस्ट पास करो, प्रूव दैट यू हैव द स्किल, नॉट ओनली नॉलेज, स्किल, ये करते हैं सर। आप हमारा सपोर्ट पे आप मेल दे सकते हैं। हमारा मैडम है प्रियंका मैडम, शी विल मीट यू इफ यू विश टू हैव एनी ट्रेनिंग्स, एब्सोल्युटली नो प्रॉब्लम, इट्स ऑल गवर्नमेंट अप्रूव्ड प्रोग्राम्स। एनी वन मोर क्वेश्चन इफ यू हैव, आई कैन आंसर, अदरवाइज आई विल। थैंक यू। यस सर।
सबसे पहले तो मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि गूगल के बारे में, कि गूगल हम सभी यूज़ करते हैं। गूगल को मैं एज ए स्पाई कैमरा बोल सकता हूँ, क्योंकि जब भी हमें कोई भी चीज़ रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, हम किसी से पूछते हैं कि मुझे यहाँ जाना है, मैं बेंगलोर आया हूँ, मुझे कहाँ घूमना है, ही हैज़ नो टाइम, ही कैन टेल मी गूगल। और मैं गूगल सर्च करता हूँ कि मुझे कोई कार चाहिए, अच्छी कार चाहिए, तो गूगल, जैसे हम कोई कार सर्च करते हैं तो ऐसा क्या मामला होता है कि सभी को पता लग जाता है, नेक्स्ट सर्चिंग हमारे पास गूगल की ही सारी एडवर्टाइजमेंट आती है, सारी कार की ही आती है। ऐसा क्या कारण है? हम कभी भी उसमें सर्च करते हैं कि हमें कोई अच्छा सा वॉच चाहिए, तो क्या है कि नेक्स्ट एडवर्टाइजमेंट वॉच की ही आती है। ऐसा क्या है कि हम प्रॉपर्टी सर्च करते हैं।
समझ गया मैं।
तो वन थिंग। सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज, एक पर्सन है सर, मेरा पर्सनली, मैं एक बंदे से मिला, नॉर्मल देखने में बहुत लोकल और सिंपल, मिलने के बाद जैसे ही मेरा व्यू है कि हर एक से मैं अटैक्ट हो जाता हूँ, जल्दी मैंने बात की उससे, तो पता लगा ही इज ए एक्सपर्ट इन साइबर सिक्योरिटी। और सबसे बड़ी अच्छी बात क्या थी कि ही हैज नो फैमिली,
ही हैज नो
वन पर्सन आर्मी, ही इज वन पर्सन आर्मी, बिकॉज ही हैज नो फियर। वो बंदा कहता है कि मैं किसी भी सिस्टम को हैक कर सकता हूं। तो इसका रीजन क्या है, क्या कारण है कि एजुकेशन इज ओपन। अगर आप कहीं भी एजुकेशन लेना चाहते हैं साइबर सिक्योरिटी में, साइबर के लिए एजुकेशन हम कहीं भी ले सकते हैं। हम ये नहीं देख सकते कि वो बंदे का व्यू क्या है, या बंदा उस एजुकेशन को लेके उसको कैसे
okay, got it. I think time is running out. I'll quickly answer your question. Thank you, sir. Okay, Rajiv Chandrasekhar ji was the Minister of State for Information Technology till recently. जैसा ये डाटा प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट अप्रूव हुआ, वो बैंगलोर आ रहे थे और उनका एक इंटरेक्शन था। उस इंटरेक्शन में मैसूर से कुछ लोग आ रहे थे। आते वक्त उन्होंने वो बात कर रहे थे कि यार यहाँ पे एक बढ़िया सा एक प्रोजेक्ट आ रहा है, अच्छा है इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए. विद इन 2 मिनट्स ऑफ देयर सेइंग दैट उनको एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स आ गए हैं उस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में. आप अगर अभी बैठ के बोलोगे मेरे बेटी का बर्थडे में मैं कुछ अच्छा वॉच खरीदना चाहता हूँ, वो करना चाहते हैं. और गूगल, मेटा, ये सब कंपनीज ने खुल के एक्सेप्ट किया है कि हम डाटा फार्मिंग करते हैं, हम डाटा प्रोसेसिंग करते हैं, हमारा आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. खुल के बोल रहे हो. ठीक है, इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ जो परमिशंस आप दे रहे हैं उसके ऊपर ध्यान दो. वो एक है. दूसरी बात, हम जब AICTE के पास गए थे साइबर कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग का MOU के लिए, तो उन्होंने पूछा दिस इज अ डबल एज स्वॉर्ड, मतलब अगर हम साइबर सिक्योरिटी किसी को सिखाया तो वो हमको भी नुकसान करवा सकता है, उसको कहीं फायदा भी हो सकता है, तो कैसे इनको रोकोगे. तो हमने बोला हमारे पास एक तरीका है, हम प्रोफेशनल एथिक्स का ट्रेनिंग देते हैं, सर्टिफिकेट देते हैं, इंश्योरेंस देते हैं. इंश्योरेंस मतलब कामत साहब ने मुझे हायर किया, मैं उनका लैपटॉप चोरी करके भाग गया, मैडम का कंपनी में ज्वाइन कर गया, तो मैं सिर्फ लैपटॉप ही नहीं चोरी कर रहा हूँ, डाटा चोरी कर रहा हूँ, और डाटा IP है कामत साहब का. उसके लिए, उस मिसडीड के लिए इंश्योरेंस है. एक तो कामत साहब को लैपटॉप का कॉस्ट मिल जाएगी, और उसके बाद मेरे पीछे वो लोग पड़ेंगे जब तक मैं इनको जाके पाँव ना पकड़ूं और बोलूं क्षमा करो, तब तक मेरा पिटवाई होगी, फिजिकली नहीं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली. डाटा. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव done, and that is how the AICTE has signed an MOU to create ethical workforce in India with us. So this is one way of stopping what you said. That is also the biggest problem in the world, where most of the certifications don't have this professional ethics as a requirement. That's where we say please make sure that it is given. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you, ma'am. I've taken a lot of time. Thank you.